Very good
Varun,
afternoon. Good
Mr.
evening,
Varun,
sir.
am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, you are.
Yeah, yeah. Congratulations, Mr. Varun Kumar, on securing All India rank 9 with mechanical stream in Engineering Service Exam 2023.
Thank
We
you
are
very much.
happy to know that you have taken guidance in with ACE Engineering Academy live classes, postal coaching, test series, interview guidance, etc. Briefly about yourself, Mr. Varun.
Yes, sir. Sir, I belong to Ayodhya district in Uttar Pradesh. I've done my BTech in mechanical engineering from NIT Allahabad, and I've passed out in 2022. And sir, after that, I was preparing for the GATE and engineering service examination.
So 22 means almost this is the first attempt, I can guess.
Sir, the first serious attempt, right, sir?
Yes, great. Really, it's a great achievement. So, since you cracked almost in the first attempt, when you started your serious preparation or real preparation for GATE and engineering services exam?
Sir, I realized a little bit late while I was in my final year of college. Sir, I started my preparation basically for GATE in my final year, but due to lack of time, I couldn't complete the syllabus on time. So things weren't very good. The results weren't very good in 2022. But after that, I dedicated my all the time I had for the preparation of GATE and engineering services for 2023. And sir, I got a lot of time and I got enough time to prepare, and that's how I did it, sir.
See, you are an NIT student. What
Yes,
motivated you to prepare for this engineering service exam?
sir, like from the beginning, I had in my mind that I wanted to go for some government sector job. And sir, engineering services gives us a very good opportunity to hold a techno managerial job from a very early age. We can get that opportunity. So, sir, that inspired me to go for it.
Yeah, you will get very quick promotions because your
Yes, sir.
age, I think hardly you are 22.
Sir, I am 24 this year.
24. Okay, okay. But you will get quick promotions because of your age, and you may reach the topmost position of the department also, wherever you join.
Yes.
Okay. So coming to the preparation, what about your prelims exam?
Sir, for the prelims, I basically targeted the preparation was with the GATE preparation only. I combined the preparation of GATE and prelims. That was objective type. So those things went very well because of that. And for the GS portion specifically, sir, I did some mistakes that I would like to tell all other aspirants who are going to give the exams. And first one I want to highlight is that for the GS, you should target the subjects first. Like do the things with with some understanding that what can give you the best outcome in the limited time you have for the preparation. So you can target subjects like maths and aptitude is the first one, and then you can go for design and drawing, and other subjects are the static subjects, that I would like to focus upon, that you can prepare well, that can help you in scoring marks, and not go for things like too much, don't spend too much time on current affair or something like that. So,
So
sir,
being a mechanical student, I think you might have focused on mechanical oriented general
yes,
studies
sir.
topics.
Yes,
You know?
sir. Like material science also
Yes.
was one thing.
Project management,
Yes, sir.
standards.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Right.
So with respect to technical objective paper,
Yes,
150
sir.
questions, 3 hours duration. So what was your strategy in the exam hall?
Sir, in the exam hall, in the GS paper, I made some mistakes that I found out after giving the GS paper. So I made myself clear that I do not have to repeat the things in the technical. Like I do not have to stick to a question that I'm not getting. So I have to maintain my speed. If I'm not getting any question, I have to skip it directly so that I can see the entire paper, and I don't miss out the questions that I can do in the paper. So, sir, that was my strategy while attempting the paper of the technical.
What care you have taken with respect to negative marking?
Sir, for the negative marking, like this year paper, I found a little bit more numerical based. Like there were more calculations involved. So I gave a little bit more Sir, I was a little careful about my calculations that I was doing. Like we need to take some approximation while doing calculations. So I was a little careful about that. So, sir, that I think helped me to avoid negative marks.
Okay. In the mains paper
Yes,
1,
sir.
paper 2, conventional questions.
Yes, sir.
So, for example, you have topics like mechatronics and robotics.
Right, sir.
How you have prepared for those subjects?
Sir, I bought some standard coaching material that I could get at the shops, and I read them once. I knew that spending a lot of time, I thought that it won't be that much of a help, that it might not be very wise to spend a lot of time if those some number of questions are not asked. And we do also have the choice in the mains to select the questions. So I was a
Okay,
little.
choice.
Yes, sir. I was a little picky about that. So, sir, I read those topics and I tried to do the test series, sir. For the unconventional, like the topics like mechatronics and robotics, sir, I relied on the test series, and the questions in the test series are very related to the things that are being asked in the exam. So, sir, I found that very helpful.
How you have practiced the conventional questions at home?
Sir, like I used to, I started with the previous year questions. So that was the first thing, and I suggest everyone to do it first. Like that gives us a very good idea, and you can always go like practice those things and mark out the important questions that you see. That mark out the questions that cover the entire types of questions that are being asked. So those important questions can be marked out, and then they can revise it while the revision, so that they do not have to revise all the questions, but the important ones that cover the entire types of questions that are asked.
So previous year questions were useful.
Yes, sir. Right, sir. Right, sir.
How
The
many
first and
times you might
foremost
have
thing.
revised previous
Yes,
year
sir.
questions? How many times you might have revised?
Sir, due to constraint of time, like this was my first attempt only, and I had to do the previous year also. In after the prelims, I had to do previous year and do the test series also. So I had a little bit less time. So, sir, I could like revise it for, I guess, 2 times. I revised 2 times.
So coming to the interview, how much time has spent in the interview board?
Sir, I guess it was somewhere around 20 minutes. I think it
20
was 20 minutes somewhere.
So quickly
Yes.
completed.
Yes, sir, it
So
was.
what questions were asked to you in general current affairs? Any questions?
Sir, like our board was of Srimati Preeti Sudan ma'am was taking the board. So she did not ask me a lot of questions in general. She just asked me about my college and what the things I've written in my DAF. So DAF preparation is a strong point that one should focus on. And she asked some basic questions about the leadership qualities that you have displayed somewhere or something like that. So these were the basic questions, and then things were transferred to the technical portion.
Okay, coming to the leadership, what you have shown in our DAF, DAF?
Sir, like I have contributed and led the group of robotics club in my college. So, sir, those things were there.
Okay, so it helped you a lot.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It
Any
did.
questions on your state, your parents' occupation, etc.?
No, sir. Those things I had prepared them well, but those things weren't asked to me.
Fantastic. Okay, Mr. Varun, congratulations once again. Your motivation is because it is almost a first attempt.
Yes.
So it's a great achievement, honestly
Thank
speaking.
you very much, sir.
Okay. Congratulations once again. Pranams to
Yes, sir.
your parents and all the
Thank you,
elders.
sir.
Thank
Sir,
you. God bless you, beta.
Yes, sir. I want to thank ACE and all the teachers that have that helped me to achieve this, sir. I really want to thank ACE Academy
Thank you.
on all the steps they have helped me.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.